Hello friends, welcome back. Laravel has officially launched version 13 and it comes with some really exciting update. In this video, I will quickly walk you through the key changes and then show you how to set up step by step your first Laravel 13 project. So you just simple come to this Laravel official site and select here the version Laravel 13. Okay, so you can check here the release updates of this support policy and all the things that is in version 13 from here. Okay, there are some Laravel AI SDK features that improves or support in Laravel 13, and also we have a JSON API resources that are improved in this version, and queue routing and many other things. And Laravel 13 has expanded the PHP attributes and cache support as well. So I'll prepare updates in Laravel 13. So first, Laravel 13 now require PHP 8.3 or higher, and its drop support for PHP 8.1 or 8.2. Okay, so you need to must install 8.3 PHP version or above this for working with Laravel 13. Okay. Uh, Next, we have improved in Laravel 13 PHP attribute. Instead of defining properties like fillable and hidden inside the model, you can use clean attribute based syntax, which make your code more readable and modern. Okay. Second, there is also a new method that support in Laravel 13, and it's called cache touch, which allow you to extend cache lifetime without rewriting the data, improving performance and making cache handling clearer. And the last is password authentication. Laravel 13 introduces support for passkey authentication, enabling password login, and user can log in using fingerprint, Face ID, device authentication, and hardware security keys. And it matters because password reuse, phishing attacks, and credential stuffing and constant password reset in simple password method. But now it benefit for the developer for stronger security, better user experience, and modern authentication. So that's it for the Laravel 13 key updates, and in the coming videos I will cover proper tutorial on these updates as well. But that's it for the update, and now I'll show you how you can create your Laravel 13 project and how you can uh, update your composer to start working with Laravel 13. So here I just simple open a folder that I recently created, and it is with name Laravel 13, and within this I'll just simple create a new Laravel 13 project. But before this I need to, when I just simple pass here Laravel new and give my project name as test. So here you can see, here it show me the Laravel, and here you can see the updated version on Composer is available. Would you like to update it now? So you can update it from here as well. And also you do here is like we need to update this Composer globally, and for this we have a command that is this Composer global update Laravel slash installer. Okay, just this and click on enter, and now it will update my composer. And here you can see it is updated yet, and now I just simple check my composer version, and now I just simple close this. And before updating the composer, it is giving us the option of composer update here, but one now I just simple now create project as we updated the composer version as well. So now when I'll just simply click on this Laravel new test, and now it does not show me the update option because we already updated, and now it just simple show me here this. So I just simple start with I did not add any starter kit within it, so I just will pass here none and click on enter. Also we don't need any testing framework for now, and also we don't need this boost for now. Okay, just click on enter and now it will start creating my project, and within 1 or 2 minutes it will set up, and then I'll show you. Ask me which database will you use. So I just simple pass here for now MySQL and just click on enter, and here it asks me would you like to run database default migration. So just simple pass here no and click on enter, and then it will update it, and we have to wait for less than 1 minute and then it's completed. So ask me here would you like to install npm run build. So I just simple pass here yes and click on enter, and wait for this created successfully. So I just simple clear it and navigate to project using this and run my project using this PHP artisan serve and this. Okay, so it's running. So I just simple open it, and now here you can see it is showing me Laravel 13 welcome page. So it is looking amazing and great. Okay, so this is it, and that's Laravel 13 officially launched with minimal breaking changes, powerful features, and a cleaner development experience. So as you can see, getting started is super simple and you can be up and running in just few minutes. Okay. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.